Hello, kids. Let's have fun learning a cheerful counting song that makes numbers exciting and easy to remember. Get ready to sing, laugh, and count along with us.
1, this is 1. 2, this is 2. 3, this is 3. 4, this is 4. 5, this is 5. 6, this is 6. 7, this is 7. 8, this is 8. 9, this is 9. 10, this is 10.
Hello, kids. Now we learn the ABCs with fun, songs, and smiles all the way.
For apple, juicy and sweet. A is for ant, crawling on its feet. A is for axe, chop, chop, chop. A is for aeroplane, flying non-stop. B is for ball, bouncing high and low. B is for bear, with a big soft glow. B is for banana, yellow and bright. B is for butterfly, taking a flight. Sing along with me the ABCs. Let's learn our letters easily. From A to Z, we'll sing with glee. Come on, let's learn together. You and me, and me.